Hi, I'm Asmita Banerjee. On this channel, we talk about improving the quality of work in the cell culture lab. Today, we talk about aliquoting. First of all, aliquoting means that you divide a solution into smaller portions. You will later take one aliquot, use that up, then take the next one, use that up, and so on. Now, what are the reasons why we aliquot some reagents? They can get destroyed or deactivated. Even if you refreeze an aliquot once or twice, depending on the reagent, of course, you will cause less damage than freezing and thawing a large volume multiple times. Always mark the aliquot that has been thawed already so that you use up that particular aliquot first. Some substances are sensitive to light, others are sensitive to oxygen, for example. So, after exposure to any of these specific factors, the reagent may become altered. For example, it can become oxidized. Here, using aliquots is a good idea. One reason for a bacterial contamination can be contaminated reagents or media. If you have a contaminated culture, you also throw away media and reagent aliquots. If you're having recurrent contaminations, you will probably have to trash the entire batch. In the cell culture lab, sharing is not caring. If a medium is being used by more than one person, it has to be aliquoted. And obviously, each person should only use his or her aliquot of media and reagents. Aliquots can also help you to save time. If you need a shot of a reagent for the preparation of a buffer, for example, in this case, you can prepare a batch of your reagent and freeze it. If you then need a shot of 1 milliliter of that reagent, you thaw it and add it to your buffer instead of preparing a small amount of that reagent every time. Certain reagents can be kept at 4 degrees for several weeks, but if you aliquot and freeze them, you can keep them for much longer. Of course, you can only do this if the components are not altered or damaged by freezing. Let's improve the quality of work in our cell culture labs, and I will see you in the next video.